We're making a buttery garlic pork loin today. Hi, I'm Susan. As you can see, I've still got my broke arm. Today we're going to do a buttery garlic pork loin. I've never made it before, but it sounds delicious, and I love finding new recipes for the Instant Pot. So if you like content and recipes and good old food, hit that subscribe button down below if you hadn't. Give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when my videos are uploaded. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. All this helps my channel to grow. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, bear with me. My arm makes things a little bit hard. First of all, this is a little over a 4-pound pork loin. And I'm just going to sprinkle it with salt, a bit of pepper, and some lemon pepper. Try to get it all over the best I can. We do want to give it a good coating of salt. Try to get the ends as best as you can. And we'll just set this aside for right now. Now I've got half a stick of melted butter. And to that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of soy sauce, see what I got. Oh. I'm going to add a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of dried parsley. More fresh would be better, as well as the thyme, but I don't have any. So I'm going to also add a half a teaspoon of ground thyme and a tablespoon there we go. There's a way. Tablespoon of minced garlic. Great. And we just want to whisk that together. Garlic and butter, it smells good already. And while I do the rest, I'm going to turn my pot on to saute. Let it get hot. Some of this stuff out of my way. Alright. Now that that's mixed, we're just gonna baste this tenderloin in the butter mixture. It's almost hot, not quite, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm just going to keep basting until I don't have any more. Alright, now, let's see. Now I just want to sear it. probably should have used my bigger Instant Pot. I didn't realize. But this does show you that you can do it in the small. Alright. Flip it over. Set that aside. And I've got a cup of chicken broth, and I just used 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of Than Bullion. And I am going to add that to my pot. Scrape off the bottom to get all that flavoring. So you can see here. The edge so it'll seal good. I'm going to cut off the sauté. Now I'm going to put my trivet in there, and I'm going to put my tuna loin back in. And now I'm going to just put my lid on. Make sure it's sealing. And since this is such a big tenderloin, I'm going to cook it manual. I'm going to go 25 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, now that it's done, we're going to let it rest. It wasn't quite finished cooking before. It was still too pink, so we had to put it back in there for another 15 minutes. And now it's out, and we're going to let it rest. And I've got my sauté back on, and the pan juices, I'm letting it cook till it's about half the size. Let it cook down to about half the amount, and then you've got your pan juice to put over your meat and potatoes. Well, here it is. It actually turned out very good, very tender, and the pan sauce was wonderful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and leave a comment. So until next time, bye y'all.